What to do if you did not receive an activation email? When signing up for the NordLocker service, you need to enter an email address. You will be using it for login and will receive your activation code to that same address. So make sure that the email address you provide is valid and can be accessed by you. If you have signed up successfully but have not received an email with a confirmation, follow these steps. 1. Wait for around 10 minutes after the sign up for your email to arrive. 2. Check your junk, spam, promotions, and other sections of your email account. Activation emails are sent to many users, so they might be flagged for spam or similar. 3. Contact NordLocker customer success team if the issue persists. Support.com